When utility power fails, your Generac standby generator goes to work immediately, and you don't have to do a thing. With a portable generator, you'd have to move it outside, find the gas cans and extension cords, fill the gas tank, run the cords throughout the house, and manually start the generator. Then you'd need to refuel every couple of hours and hope you have enough gasoline on hand. With a permanently installed Generac standby generator, you don't have to lift a finger. The generator automatically starts itself and supplies electricity within seconds. When the outage is over, it shuts itself off. No appliances to go plug back into their normal outlets, nothing to put away. You don't have to keep fresh gasoline on hand or start the generator every couple of weeks to make sure it's going to work when you need it. Plus, Generac has more generator models for home and business applications than anyone else in the industry. Every Generac generator offers exceptional quality, reliability, and durability at a value price. The Quiet Source series of premium models feature larger, low-speed engines for ultra-quiet operation and better fuel economy. They also come standard with aluminum enclosures for superior protection against corrosion. That's especially important in coastal areas and other harsh environments. With dozens of models between 7,000 and 150,000 watts, you can be confident that Generac has the right generator to meet your needs.